அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். நம்ம இது வரைக்கும் டிஃபரன்ஷியல் ஜியோமெட்ரியில் ஒரு 3 வீடியோ பார்த்துருக்கோம். நியர்லி 60 பாயிண்ட்ஸ் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். பாயிண்ட் நம்பர் 61. If every point on the curve has its principal normal as normal to the surface, then the curve is a geodesic. At every point on a geodesic, the rectifying plane is tangent to the surface. Every great circle of a sphere, then every meridian of a surface of revolution are geodesic. They satisfy the normal property. Point number 63. A particle is contained to move on a smooth, a particle is constrained to move on a smooth surface under no force except the normal reaction, then its path is geodesic. Every helix on a cylinder is a geodesic. Point number 64. Region R is convex if any 2 points of it can be joined by a geodesic lying wholly in R. Region R is simple if there exists only one such geodesic. Euclidean plane, convex and simple, then it is Euclidean plane. A plane which is convex and simple is Euclidean plane. Surface of a sphere, it is convex but it is not simple. So convex simple definition இப்ப முன்னாடி பார்த்தோம். Point number 65. JHC Whitehead theorem. For every point P, there is an epsilon greater than 0 such that every geodesic disk of center P and radius R less than epsilon is convex and simple. Point number 66. Orthogonal trajectories are called geodesic parallels. Point number 67. For a given family of geodesic, a parametric system can be chosen so that metric is of the form du square plus g dv square. Point number 68. If a surface admits two orthogonal families of geodesics, it is isometric with the plane. Point number 69. Geodesic curvature vector of any curve is orthogonal to the curve. R double dash equal to kn plus lambda r plus lambda r1 plus mu r2. Lambda and mu equal to 0 for a geodesic, as r dash is normal to the surface. அது கொஞ்சம் clear தெரியல. Okay. Point number 70. Geodesic curvature of a geodesic is 0. Converse is true. A curve with 0 geodesic curvature is a geodesic. Point number 71. Liouville's formula for geodesic curvature kg. Kg equal to theta dash plus pu dash plus qv dash, where p is equal to 1 by 2he into 2ef1 minus fe1 minus e2. Q is equal to 1 by 2he eg1 minus fe2. Orthogonal trajectories of curve v equal to c are constant are geodesics, then h square by e is independent of u. Point number 73. Gauss-Bonnet theorem. For any curve C which encloses a simple connected region R, the excess of C is equal to the total curvature of R. Point number 74. Geodesic curvature for a geodesic triangle ABC. K equal to limit of a plus b plus c minus pi by delta. Area of geodesic triangle is a square into a plus b plus c minus pi. Point number 75. On a sphere, the geodesics are great circles. Point number 76. Gaussian curvature at every point on a sphere of radius a equal to 1 by a square. Point number 77. With geodesic polar parameters, the metric takes the form du square plus g dv square. Point number 78. Minding's theorem. Two surfaces of the same constant curvature are locally isometric. Point number 79. If S is a surface with constant curvature k0, then if k0 equal to 0, S is isometric with the plane. If k0 equal to 1 by a square, S is isometric with the sphere of radius a. If k0 equal to minus 1 by a square, S is isometric with the surface of revolution, pseudosphere, determined by a. So, point number 80 next. Every point on a surface has a neighborhood which can be mapped conformally on the region of the plane. Every point on a surface has a neighborhood which can be mapped conformally on some neighborhood of any other surface. ஸோ இதுக்கு அடுத்து பெல்ட்ராமிஸ் தியரம் பார்க்கலாம் அடுத்த வீடியோவில். அநேகமாக அடுத்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம வந்து டிஃபரன்ஷியல் ஜியாமெட்ரி கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிடுவோம். நன்றி.